Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for Agile sprint planning. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in and your workspace appears, you'll see your main dashboard with all your boards and projects. Now, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon there, which is your gateway to creating new boards and accessing templates. Click on that plus icon and from the options that appear, select Template Center. This is where Monday.com stores all its pre-built templates that can save you tons of time when setting up new workflows. Once the Template Center opens, you'll see a search bar positioned at the top of the screen. This is where you'll look for exactly what you need. In that search bar, type Sprint Planning, hit Enter, and the system will start pulling up relevant templates designed specifically for Agile sprint planning workflows. After the search results load, take a moment to browse through the different options that appear. You'll see various sprint planning templates, each with slightly different structures and features. Some might focus on backlog management, others on sprint retrospectives, and some on the full sprint cycle. Click on the template that best matches your team's needs and workflow. When you click on it, you'll get a detailed preview showing you how the board is structured, what columns it includes, and what kind of automation or features come built in. Once you've decided on the template you want to use, look towards the upper right corner of the preview screen. You'll see a button that says Use Template. Click on that button and Monday.com will automatically create a new board for you based on that template. This method significantly lessens the time it would take to create everything manually since most of the structure is already built for you. You get pre-configured columns, status labels, sprint timelines, and even suggested automations that are commonly used in Agile workflows. After clicking Use Template, Monday.com will process your request and set up the board. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's ready, you'll be taken directly to your new sprint planning board where you can start adding tasks, assigning team members, and organizing your sprint cycles right away. And that's it. You've successfully set up an Agile sprint planning board on Monday.com using a template. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.